Hey Sparks, what's up? And hello to my new subscribers. Montina here. And my mission with this channel is to inspire, educate, and share information that helps you thrive in life and thrive in business. If that sounds good to you, subscribe. I get excited about that. Thrive in life and thrive in business. Who does not want to thrive? So I want to answer some questions. And today I'm answering a question from Ebony. And she says, how do you establish business credit? Ebony, thank you for your question. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you have a business. I'm not going to talk all about these business ideas. You guys have great ideas. Hopefully it's something that's going to make you money, just not something you're passionate about. First, you need to establish your articles of incorporation with your state. And once you have your articles of incorporation established through an attorney, you can do it yourself, you can work with a paralegal. Then you want to make sure you get your EIN number from the federal government. That's free. Your articles of incorporation will cost. Once you get your EIN number, hold it close and tight and keep that information that you get. You'll get something in the mail and you'll also get something online. Make sure you save a copy of that for your records. And your EIN number is just like your personal social security number, so keep it tight and close. Open up a business bank account. You can also call Dun & Bradstreet and you can actually get a D&B number because you're going to need it eventually for your business credit as well. Once you do that, then it's very simple. You know, a lot of people like to start with Capital One. They're very friendly when it comes to business credit. You can open up your business bank account. And in the beginning, it's all going to go towards a personal guarantee. So you're going to use your social security number. If you have poor credit, you're going to have to work on your credit. There literally is no way around it. I know people online say, oh my God, you don't need a PG. Yes, you do. Okay. These people aren't even in business. They're just teaching and selling you business. I'm in business. So those are just a few quick things that you can do, and I'll have a whole business course around it. But personal credit needs to be in order. Like I said, articles of incorporation, your EIN, open up a bank account, make sure you have some money going into that bank account, and then also make sure that, you know, get a Dun & Bradstreet number. And again, start with the low-hanging fruit, like a Capital One business card. Once you have some revenue coming in through that bank, you can apply for a bank business card as well. Okay, so I hope that helps, and thanks for your question. Have any other questions, leave them below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.